After a long day, have you ever wanted to wear your favorite clothes tomorrow, but didn't have time to wash them? Select a cycle with the TurboWash option. LG's advanced TurboWash 360 uses a 3D multi-nozzle that sprays water in 4 directions, and the inverter pump allows delicate stream control. The multi-nozzle sprays water into every corner of the tub to ensure washing performance. Laundry can be done within 39 minutes while providing more fabric protection. Thoroughly clean in 39 minutes. LG TurboWash 360.